Good morning, students. Myself Rudraswamy, a science teacher from Sant Tukaram National Model School. In today's session, we are going to learn about a new chapter, that is fun with magnets. It is come from physics. Okay. In today's session, we are going to learn about some few points like care of a magnet and uses of magnet. In which ways the magnets gets used. So, without wasting time, let's start. First point we are going to see, that is care of a magnet. Magnet should be used and stored with the care. Otherwise, they may lose their magnetic properties. Now the question will come that what is the magnetic property? What are the magnetic property of a magnet? First property is that to attract the magnetic substances. First property of a magnet is to attract the magnetic substances. Magnetic substances means which get attracted by a magnet. Some metals are there like iron, nickel, cobalt. These are some magnetic substance. And in some steel also, in which iron metals are also there. It is a combination of carbon and iron. So steel is also get attracted by a magnet. So these are the magnetic substances which get attracted by a magnet. If we are not carrying a magnet, we are not storing a magnet properly, then it will lose its magnetic property and it will not attracted by a magnet. These magnetic substances will get not attracted by a magnet. So we have to care a magnet properly. Second property is that to show the direction. Magnets always shows north-south direction. When we freely suspend a magnet, that it will shows a north-south direction. Always it will show north-south direction. That is another one kind of a magnetic property of a magnet. So if we are not carrying a magnet properly, then it will lose its magnetic property after some time. So it will get demagnetized. It will the word comes demagnetized. Demagnetized means it will lose its magnetic property. It will not act as a magnet. So one should remember the following points while handling any kind of a magnet. Here are some points are there. See, a magnet should never hammered with any hard subject. See here. See here. See. A magnet should never hammered with any hard object or any hard subject. Else it will get demagnetized. It will lose its magnetic property. It will not attracted by any magnetic substance. If we are hammering a magnet with very hard substance, it will lose its magnetic property. Second, a magnet might lose its magnetism. Magnetism means power of attracting magnetic substance. That is nothing but a magnetism. Magnet might lose its magnetism if it is fall from a greater height. If magnet is falling from a greater height, then also it will lose its magnetism property. Heating a magnet can also demagnetize it. If you are heating a magnet, then also it will lose its magnetic property. So we will not heat the magnet, or else it will lose its magnetic property. Yes. Improper storage of a magnet may also weaken their magnetic properties. Okay. If we are not storing a magnet in a proper way, there are some ways are there. We are going to discuss that ways. If we are not storing a magnet in a proper way, then also it will get weakened. It will not lose, but it will get weakened their magnetic properties. So what are the ways to store a magnet properly? There are some ways are there. To prevent this, keepers are used to store a magnet. Keepers. What is my keepers? Keepers are the pieces of iron that are placed across the poles of a magnet. We know that magnets containing two poles are there, North Pole and South Pole. Okay, so the keepers that are nothing but pieces of iron that are placed across the poles of a magnet to help and preserve its magnetism. See this image. You will understand. See, in between two magnets, this is the bar magnet, this is another bar magnet. In between two magnets, wooden board is there, red color wooden board is there, and these steel iron keepers are there. towards the poles of the magnet. These iron bars are there. They act as a keepers of that bar magnet. If we are keeping these bar magnets in such a way that it will preserve its magnetic property for a longer time. In this way, we can preserve its magnetism. Yes, a horseshoe magnet. See this image. A horseshoe magnet. See this. This is a horseshoe magnet. Yes. A horseshoe magnet need only one keeper, whereas a bar magnet, it will need two magnetic keepers. Bar magnets are stored in a pairs with the two keepers, and whereas horseshoe magnet they will need only one magnetic keeper. Yes. Now we will see about the uses of magnet. In which ways magnets are get used in our daily life. Yes. Magnets are widely used in the following ways. What are the ways? See, magnets are used in the cranes to separate and lift the iron and steel objects from the scrap heaps. See that. See this. This is the magnetic separator. You can see here. This is the magnetic separator. Whatever the magnetic substance, whether it is steel, whether it is iron, whether it is nickel, cobalt, whatever the magnetic substance are there, that they will get attracted by these magnetic separator, which in that magnetic separator, magnet, so a strong magnet, heavy magnet is there, and that will attract the magnetic substance, and non-magnetic substance like plastic, wood, whatever it may be there, sand, that will get separate from that magnetic separator. Yes. See here in the second image also, this one kind of magnetic separator is there. Yes. Non-magnetic substance will get thrown out, and the magnetic substance will get attracted by that roller, and it will get separated out in the separate manner. Yes. They are used in the construction of electric motors and generators. Not only for this magnetic separator, magnets are used in the magnetic separator, but for the construction of electric motors and generators, magnets are used widely. Motors are used in the tanks, pumps, mixer grinders, and many other appliances. In that also magnets are get used. They are an important component in the speakers, headphones, and microphones. Without the magnet, these are the appliances cannot be made. These appliances like headphones, speakers, microphones, in all these kinds of appliances, magnet must be there. Without magnet, whether the size is different, but magnet should be there. In our headphones also, a small magnet is also there. You can be tested that. Yes, magnets, particularly electromagnets, are used in the electric bells. See this diagram. See this diagram. You can see this is the speaker. In that, magnets are used. Here, see this. This is the magnet. Without a magnet, speaker cannot be produced. Yes. See, this is the electric bell. Electric bell. In the electric bell also, magnetic property is used by using a magnet. Electromagnet, especially electromagnet. Yes. Not only that, magnets are also used in the hard disk and compact disk to store a data. For a data storing process also, magnets are used for a data storing process. See this image. This is the hard disk. We are storing a data with the help of that magnets. See here. Again, they are used in the credit cards, ATM cards, debit cards, and other swipe cards. Whatever the ATM cards we are using, the debit card, credit card we are using, petro cards, in that also magnet is used. See, the reverse side of these cards have a black strip. You might have seen this kind of black strip. Yes, you can see here. See this black strip. In that black strip, a tiny, in this strip, it is made up of a tiny magnetic particles and store a credit code information. This black strip, which is made up of magnetic particles, it will help to store core information, whatever our bank information is there, or credit information is there, that will get stored by these magnetic particles, which is placed in that black strip. Yes. Again, one more important use of that magnet is, it is used in the MRI scanning machine. MRI scanning machine means magnetic resonance imaging. It is a machine used in the medical purpose to scan our body in detail. This magnetic resonance imaging machine, scanning machine, is used for the medical technique. Yes, MRI scanning is a medical technique used to form image of the internal body parts. This MRI scanning machine, it can be scan our body, internal body part, it can be scanned. And in this kind of large machines, high power magnets are get used. You might have seen this. You see this. In this kind of machines, very powerful magnets are get used. See here. See how strong magnets can be used here. Yes. So to scan our body, magnets are very much useful. So these are some uses of magnet, and we had seen about how to care a magnet. The rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you so much.